you hid your relationship for a very long time, right? From the public.
Before we
eyes.
got married, yeah, we never shared it publicly.
Kyun?
It's private. We wanted to just
Fair.
lead our private life privately.
Is there a cost of hiding a relationship?
There must be.
I'm asking you. Because you have to like go out, pretend, and then like,
I don't
hey.
have to pretend.
No, like, I'm sure like 20 people outside you're in the public eyes, right?
Yeah.
कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ कभी पूछता रहेगा, questions about partner, questions about boyfriends, question about, I don't know, what do you want to be, what do you want in your partner, and you're explaining, pretending like, yeah, when I'll find my my person, I'll do this, and in the back of your head you know there's this person. Does that like do something to you? I'm just curious.
I feel like everyone, it's like an unsaid thing. They knew it.
Acha, so the close ones knew.
The close ones obviously knew, but I'm saying even the public, being a public figure, they were kind of guessing. Like you said, you all hid it, right? So you knew that, okay, it's almost like, okay, I know you're seeing somebody, but I don't want to intrude and ask you now, oh, so where did you go? How did he propose? I mean, these are personal questions. And we didn't feel that was something we wanted to share at that time in our lives. And sometimes I just feel like it's easier to keep your personal life personal and private. You know, you don't want to be literally everybody's dinner table conversation. And also at that point, especially now also, rather keep the focus on work. I mean, that's what we're here for. I get it. I mean, even I would love to know my favorite actors. You know, how are they at home? Who are they seeing? These are exciting, personal topics that we want to know about them. But for our own peace, sanctity, our families, I mean, we wanted to keep it private. So
fair.
And I think inherently, we both are quite private.
And I say, was there a point where you almost broke secrecy?
Before? Like with the media, you mean?
With like in public or somewhere. Like there was a moment and you felt like, like sometime maybe.
I mean, we never hid. Like we still led our life the same way for us. We just never spoke about it to the media or at that time acknowledged it in, you know. We just wanted to like not make that the focus.
Of course. And you would try to do things na ki publicly dikhe nahi saath. Like probably we should not be going out on a date night somewhere where we could be spotted.
That we do now also. Let's go to town and go for dinner and stuff. It's not only about it's also sometimes you just want to be normal. You want to be able to like do things normally, you know, not feel like everyone's prying or bahar paps honge. I just want to feel like how you'll go normally with a friend, and you don't want to feel intruded on.
But pehle bhi aisa hota tha?
While we were dating? Tab bhi. But that's not really changed. Even now, we like to go to places where we know that, you know, it's not app friendly or so to speak.
I'm also like that. Like I would want to keep my private life private.
I want to keep my private life private.
Okay, what about you bothers him? That is
so
about
many
you.
Things you must be saying.
No,
what about me bothers him? So I feel I can multitask really well. So supposing I'm home and if he's telling me something important, I can listen to him and switch on the AC and finish my message and make sure Saraya's just like with us and she's fine. And he hates that because he feels like you're not listening.
You're ignoring me.
But I'm telling you, I am listening. I will remember every word you have said. But I listen better when I multitask. You know, now if you're telling me something and I'm doing this, I'm drinking this, I'm making the coffee hot, I feel like I'm processing it better.
मैं सेट की साइड हूँ इधर.
So this he gets very upset. He doesn't feel I can multitask, and he doesn't like it when I'm not attentive enough. He feels I should be like, he's right, but I feel I can. I can do all.
Does anyone in your family does this?
No. It's
Like,
just me.
just you.
Yeah.
Who's like not attentive in people and doing.
It's not. I'm not attentive. You're not understanding.
I won't.
Exactly.
क्योंकि मैं उन्हीं की साइड हूँ. मैं
See,
भी
because,
ऐसा ही हूँ. I would
like,
hate
if
when my
he's-
partner does something.
Yeah,
like
but I understand that.
that.
But women are capable of multitasking.
I agree.
We are.
I agree.
And I can fully do it. I can have a conversation with the pediatrician. I can tell my staff that, you know, ये बनाना है, वो करना है. I'm saying this because I'm
doing
I'm
20
getting
things at the
ready,
same-
I'm pumping, I'm messaging you that I'm sorry I'm going to be 20 minutes late. I'm making sure the fridge is, I'm doing 100 things and I can manage it. And I'm maybe 5 minutes upar niche in things. But I feel I'm capable. I wish I could, I had the luxury of just sitting and listening, but I agree. I need to sometimes
So you
give
have to
him
stop
that
talking.
time. Yeah, I have to.
Does he do that?
What?
Like he stops talking. Like
If
when you,
I don't.
हाँ,
Of
when you're like
course.
इधर, he's
Of
like,
course.
he's like okay ठीक है.
She's
कर
not
लो.
listening.
हाँ.
No, then I feel it. Then I'm like, before I sleep, I'm like, okay, tell me everything. Now I'm all ears. Like, at that
Nice.
point.
And you said your parents, you used to look at your parents, they were very lovey-dovey. So
Yeah.
you wanted to have what they have.
Yeah.
So it's called the shadow effect,
Hmm.
right? Like you want to shadow
Yeah.
everything that they're going through
Yeah.
in your life, in your own life. Did that become the case in your life?
I think that's why I think I must have even fallen in love with Sid, because for me, I saw my dad, self-made, creating the best for his family, you know, whatever he could do. Even when days were bad, he would never let it come to us. You know, he was always very protective. And maybe they say, you know, you'll find certain
Yeah.
traits that you admire about your parent in your partner. So I feel that trait, like for me, Sid is that independent, self-made personality that.
And your relationships also like the way you wanted, or there are like differences? Obviously, every relationship is beautiful in its own way.
Yeah, I don't think maybe subconsciously.
Hmm.
But also when you're young and you see your parents, like, you're like, oh my God, mom, dad, like don't show it. Now you're like, oh my God, it's great that, you know, you see your parents having such a strong bond. But things like, okay, I'll tell you things that I really admire about my parents that I would love for that to be a part of my relationship. It was never, if my mom said no for something, I would never go to my dad to ask him, because they were a team.
Hmm.
They couldn't be separated. You know, sometimes you feel like, अच्छा, I'll tell, मैं पापा को बता दूंगी, या फिर पापा ने ना कहा मैं मम्मी को बता दूंगी. Mummy will, you know, that thing was never there, because for what we saw was mom and dad was one team. You couldn't break them. So my dad would ask me, what did mom say? Have you asked mom? And she said, yes, okay. Then you can go. She said, no, you can't. So they were always a team. And I keep telling Sid, I'm like, we'll always have to show and be that team. So if we have a difference, we discuss it. Because I feel the child should always see their parents as a team.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful thing. I mean, parents play good cop, bad cop naturally, and that's also, you need that also at times.
And अंदर से team ही होती है.
अंदर से team ही है.
हाँ. And that you want to.
And even your child feels safe. There's also a sense of belonging that happens there, right? So if there was a trait that I would like to take from their relationship that I saw, it would be this.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you'd like to watch more informational and educational clips, please subscribe to Rajshamani Clips channel and share this video with someone who you think would like to learn more.